desire she has. And you tell me?
Upon your advice. You felt most of these dudes are the dudes that I meet.
I've been calling.
I got what's going on? Damn. And I ain't in my friends. That's so stupid. So y'all she a film.
Yeah.
My God, niggas like
I sent this today.
Holmes.
Just.
Like. Explain.
Look, at least it's fine.
Coffee.
Yeah, okay. Bye.
Once again, over.
So
Work extra.
women with shark boxing with.
I saw the headhunter again today, but at least did just email.
I mean, nigga is just does not make shit. Did I?
Yeah. It was.
I did too. Was it a good time? Oh, so not drink.
No one knows it. Back in the day, it was easy for my
For the rest of
Find a way to run, have fun with it for a couple of hours.
Depends. I made it up. Where's your new man?
Bring up more mushroom puffs.
Mama, I didn't. Straight. The boxing.
Breakfast, making dinner, extra.
I see you in the city. Do they know you're with me?